welcome back to my channel. Today we will be trying some various products from the brand Joah. I've got their blur activator primer here, the lipstick here, which just says basic. This is shade JLC16, and I have their mascara, volumizing and lengthening mascara, and a palette from the brand, and it's called Birthday Sweet. These are shades of brown. I thought these were a K-beauty brand, but they're K-beauty inspired, which means they're very closely related, very similar. Their formulas and stuff greatly resemble that, but they are slightly different. As you can see, I have the eyeshadow on already. They are more pigmented than you would find in K-beauty, but the themes and stuff is very much so that. So if you would like to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. And if you want to see what I think of these products, go all the way to the end and you'll see it there. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is prime. So I am using the Joah primer right here. This is Blur Activator Mineral Primer. And then I have an eye primer, and this is not the brand, it is Morphe eye primer, and that is what I am using. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. So we've got our primer on, and now we are moving on to concealer and foundation, and I am going to use ColourPop for my concealer and foundation. I've got the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer and the Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation, and that is what we're using for that, and I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so now we are moving into the eyebrows, and I use this a lot. This is the Brow Bar. I can never read who it's by. It's Raina, I think that's what it is. Anyways, that's what I'm using. Let's go pretend I have eyebrows. So that is good enough. Now we are going to move into the palette that I got here. This is the Joah palette here, Birthday Sweet, and that is what we're using. And this does have a 24-month usage date, which is amazing. I love it when the eyeshadow palettes have a long length, because let's be real, when you have a large collection, it's really hard to get through them. So this is what we got here. I'm going to go ahead and swatch that and be right back. Alright, so these are the colors. As you can see, they are very natural browns, and that is not common for me, but this is what we're going to work with. So we're going to start off with this top color, and this color is called Whipped Cream. Okay, so next color we're going to go in is this one right here, and this one is Evil. Okay, so I'm going to to take the cappuccino color right here and buff out the top edge. So I'm going to use this color right here, Pleased and Upbeat, on the eyelid right here. I'm going to use the Upbeat kind of on this half and the other shade on this half. Okay, so I think I'm going to take this Good Vibes color and just kind of highlight some points in the eye, because I am not used to using just like browns, and I just feel like this needs more dimension. So let's see if we can make it a little bit more dimensional. I hope so, because yeah, let's just go there. Okay, I do feel like that helped the look. I don't know that I really like it. I might add glitter, even though it's really not the glitter look. But I'm going to go under the eyes with Good Vibes and Pleased. The Pleased is going to be on the outer side, and Good Vibes is going to be towards the inner. Okay, so I'm going to get into my Best of Life palette to get into the glitter here. I'm probably going to use the Playful and Fashion, because I have to have glitter today. Okay, so I think that is good with glitter. I need to move into eyeliner now. I'm debating whether or not I want liquid for the top. I might not do liquid on the top, but for top liner, I think I'm gonna, or the bottom liner for sure, I'm going with Marc Jacobs. So I did end up going ahead and eyelining the top part of my eye with the Marc Jacobs. We are moving on to mascara, and this of course is their brand Joah. Okay, so I'm going to use a palette that I had got in my Glitz Glam box. This is Athia Buzzed and Blushed. This has my highlight and blush and whatchamacallit, bronze, all that stuff right here. So I'm going to go ahead and use this and be right back. Okay, so we're gonna do a little powder because I like the airbrush look that it gives. I am using Ciat London Extraordinary. so for lip color, I again have Joah right here, and that is what I'm using. Okay, so for setting spray, I am using my ColourPop right here. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist, and I am going to use my MAC Awake. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the Joah products. So I did use the primer. Now I have tried a sample of this primer before and I really like this. It's very hydrating, very much so does everything it says, and it works great with my different foundations. So I do highly recommend that. The lip color, this is the first time using it, so I can't say too much, but it did apply very creamy and smooth. Really do like that. Now I have used a sample of their mascara before, and I really like this mascara, and I can say, let's see, what is the month use on the 6 months? I have a wide variety of mascaras. This is definitely more on the affordable end for me, and I can say that it works beautifully. Probably one of my favorite mascaras, and the fact it's more affordable means you should probably check it out. So the last thing I tried from this brand is their eyeshadow palette, and they do absolutely apply beautifully. They are very creamy. I usually use a bunch of different shades, so yeah, and I did use all of them because I felt the need, but they did apply beautifully. So if you are looking for a very basic color range, natural range, everyday range, this is good, this is affordable, so there you go. And that is it of this video. Let me know what you think about this brand, if you're going to be trying it, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.